Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. So let's keep the video very short and let's try to understand what should be our trading strategy for gold on Friday. So first of all, we can see that right now market is trading at 1787. This is the current market price of gold here. If you're a beginner, if you're new to trading, then my dear friends, as always, it is your duty to protect your capital. Therefore, only trade on the safe levels. First of all, go for buy if market crosses the level of 1790. Yes, if market crosses the level of 1790, go for buy. And on the other hand, if market comes down also, you can only short below 1780 level. Yes, you can short below 1780 level. And on the other hand, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY US dollar. Somehow I have opened the chart of GBP JPY. I don't know why. So this is a chart of DXY US dollar, and as we all know, when dollar goes up, gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, we see gold going up. Right now you can see that US dollar has formed a descending triangle pattern, so there is a possibility that dollar will be going down and breaking the support here. So if that happens, if dollar breaks the support, then definitely we will see some good buying, and you can buy above 1790. Okay, that being the resistance. On the other hand, if there is a sudden recovery on US dollar and dollar starts going up from here, then definitely you will see gold under pressure. And if that happens, you can short the market below 1780 level, but be careful. Okay, be careful. Okay, and just take the additional confirmation from the chart of US dollar. That's my request, and please follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Being a trader, it is your duty to protect your hard-earned money and capital. So if you want to know the proper analysis, detailed analysis, please watch the video that I posted yesterday, because I want to keep the video short today. Bye bye, take care.